I think more people need to know how bad instant ramen is for your health. You've seen ramen circulating around the internet, and I want to keep more people safe. Instant noodles have an insane amount of butter and especially salt. Buldak has about 1,330 milligrams of sodium in a regular spicy ramen bowl, and having that amount daily is not healthy. It's okay to have it once in a while. I'm not saying to stop eating it entirely, but having too much salt and butter is deadly. Anyways, keep yourself safe and bye-bye.